Good morning to respected teachers and my dear friends. I am Mounika. I am studying 10th standard in ZPPGHS Chennur. In this session, I would like to talk about the reaction between acids with metals. And understanding the concept using visualization is easier than memorization, right? Now, in this experiment, with the help of this diagram, it is easier to find out the procedure, conclusion and materials required. Now, using this diagram, we can understand the aim of this experiment, right? Now, the aim of this experiment is the reaction between the acids with metals. Now, in this diagram, this is an acid, right? This is the metal. Now, the materials required for this experiment are the test tube, the stand, the delivery tube, one whole rubber cork, and the candle, soap, water, etc. Now let us understand the procedure through this diagram. Now first, take about 10 milliliters of dilute HCl. Now you all know what is the differences between the dilute and concentration HCl. Because the dilution means the solution with the mix of water. It means the reducing the concentration of H plus ions. Right? Now take about the 10 milliliters of dilute HCl in a test tube and add a few zinc granules in it. Now we observe that bubbles formed on the surface of a metal. Now using delivery tube, pass the bubbles to the soap water for our conclusion, right? Now with the help of delivery tube, the bubbles are transferred into the soap water. Now in the soap water, we observe the bubbles on the surface of the water. Now this is your procedure. Now what we conclude in this experiment is the bubbles are formed in the soap water are the hydrogen. How can you test this is an hydrogen gas? Using the candle, we can find out the evolved gas is a hydrogen. Now, how can you find it is a hydrogen? Now take the candle and burn it. It burns like a pop sound, indicating hydrogen is evolved. Now from this experiment, we conclude that acid plus metal will give rise to respective salt and hydrogen gas. Right? Now, this is a general form of this experiment. We use the metal here, zinc. Now, using the elements, we can represent the equation as the acid we use